Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Old National Mortgage account. So, if you want to log into your Old National Bank mortgage account, this video is specially for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Old National Mortgage account quite easily. Open Chrome or Edge browser and go to Google search bar and then search for Old National Bank Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Old National Bank. On the right hand side, you can see the login option. Click on it and you can see there is services like online banking, personal and business. You can choose between your accounts and after that write down your user ID, your password and click login. This way you can log into your Old National Bank's mortgage account. And if in case your account is personal or business, you can go through these and then you can log into your personal and business account and follow through these services and start making payments. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on this link and then retrieve back your account. If you want to enroll in digital banking, click Enroll in Digital Banking and create an account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log into your Old National Bank's mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.